Hello friends, welcome to Logic Computer Institute channel, and in this section we'll learn about algorithm and flowcharts. Then first we see what is algorithms. Algorithm is a procedure for solving a mathematical problem in a finite number of steps. Algorithm refers to the logic of a program, and algorithm is a step-by-step problem solving methods. So see the next characteristics of algorithms. The following are four characteristics of algorithms. First is each and every instruction should be precise and unambiguous. That is, each and every instruction should be clear and should have only one meaning. Second, each instruction should be performed in a finite time. Then third, one or more instructions should not be repeated infinitely. It means that the algorithm must terminate ultimately. Then fourth, after the instructions are executed, the user should get the required results. These are the characteristics of algorithms. Then next, advantages and disadvantages of algorithms. Then advantages. First advantages is algorithm is a step-by-step representation of a solution to a given problem, which is very easy to understand. Then next, algorithm has a definite procedure. Third, it easy to first develop an algorithm, then convert it into a flowchart and then into a computer program. Next, algorithm is independent of programming language. And last one, algorithm is easy to debug as every step is got its own logical sequence. These are the advantages of algorithms. Then disadvantages. Algorithm is a time consuming. These are one disadvantages of algorithm. So next, example of algorithm. Following is the example of algorithms, that is addition of two numbers is the problem, and we give the solution by writing the algorithm for that problem. So first step is start, then next input value of A, then input value of B, then sum of A and B, and print the addition of A and B and stop. These are the solution, step by step solution of a problem. This is the algorithms. Then next, flowcharts. And what is flowcharts? A graphical representation of algorithms is known as flowcharts. It is a program planning tool for visually organizing a sequence of steps necessary to solve problem. Flowcharts uses symbol of different shapes to denote instructions. These are the symbol of flowcharts. First symbol is used for start and end point of the flowcharts. Then next is the arrow. A line is a connector that shows a relationship between the different shapes. Then next, these are used for input output. Then next, this symbol is used for process of a problem. Then next is a symbol is a diamond. This symbol is indicates the decision of a program. So these are symbols are used for represent graphical represent of algorithm. So next is the advantages and disadvantages of flowcharts. Advantages. First is communications. Flowcharts are better way of communicating the logic of a system to all concerned. Then next is effective analysis. With the help of flowcharts, problem can be analyzed in more effective way. Then next, proper documentations. Program flowcharts serves as a good program documentations which is needed for various purposes. Then efficient coding. The flowcharts act as a guide or blueprint during the system analysis and program development phase. Then next is proper debugging. The flowchart helps in a debugging process. Then next, efficient program maintenance. The maintenance of operating program becomes easy with the help of flowcharts. It helps the programmer to put efforts more efficiently on that part. These are the advantages of flowcharts. Then disadvantages of flowcharts: complex logic. Sometimes the program logic is quite complicated. In that case, flowcharts becomes complex. Then next, alterations and modifications. If alterations are required, the flowcharts may require redrawing completely. Then next, reproductions. As the flowchart symbols cannot be typed, reproduction of a flowchart becomes a problem. These are the three disadvantages of flowcharts. Then we see the example of flowcharts. Flowcharts for addition of two numbers. Then symbol is used, that start symbols is used. Then input A, input B. These symbols are used for inputting. Then next is a process, total A plus B. This is a main execution of program A plus B, addition of two numbers. Then print totals. These are used for output. Output symbol are used for output. And then ending symbol, stop. These are the flowcharts of addition of two numbers. Thank you and subscribe our channel Logic Computer Institute for more videos.